Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want to remove resume watching, so start by opening YouTube TV and signing into the profile that shows the resume item. Once signed in, go directly to the library or home where the continue watching row appears. Make sure you have control input ready, remote, mouse, or touch. You're starting the process now because changes are profile specific. This prevents accidental removal from other profiles. Next, locate the program's thumbnail. You want to remove and highlight it. Now that the thumbnail is highlighted, open the item options using the three-dot menu on screen or by long pressing the select button on your remote. Once the options panel appears, choose Remove or Clear from Continue Watching. This deletes the resume marker but preserves viewing history if you want to keep it. If you don't see Remove, open the full show page and look for Remove from Continue Watching. Do this for each item you want gone. Changes take effect immediately. Finish by confirming the program no longer appears in Continue Watching. Refresh the app or navigate away and back to confirm. If the resume entry persists, restart the device and try again. On mobile or smart TV, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in to force a sync. If multiple profiles show the same entry, repeat for each profile. If none of these steps work, contact YouTube TV support, but only after trying Remove, Restart, and cache clearing first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.